Introducing special windows and doors. We can start inserting doors by selecting them from the global library of the program. To adapt the door to the project, we go to the Properties window. We check the appearance of the door and modify the parameters. We define the threshold height, taking into account the floor in the room into which the door will lead, its position relative to the edge of the wall, and surfaces, that is, the materials of individual elements making up the door. The defined door is saved to the project library. If we also tick the checkbox to save to the global library, we'll be able to use it in future projects. The type symbol is assigned automatically, but we can change after the door has been saved. The door can be introduced by selecting the appropriate place on the wall as left or right, depending on the position of the cursor at the edge. Of course, before inserting, you can also indicate whether they will open inwards or outwards. Now we're going to introduce a window in the stairwell that will cross 2 stories. To do this, we mark the wall with the window and change its height so that it will cover 2 floors. In the wall prepared in this way, we enter the window, the parameters of which are defined in the Properties window. First, we choose the type of window. We turn on the 3D preview. We define the height of the windowsill by adding the thickness of the floor. We have already set the distance from the edge. We proceed to the task of setting the size of the window opening. Then we define the appearance of the window by assigning a horizontal and vertical division. The color of the window frame and the type of glass are defined under the button Surfaces. Save the defined window to the library. We indicate the location. In the project, we have entered the story above. In the 3D view, we have to turn on its visibility.